What a good-looking guy. That's the sweetest little dog. And this is why we're getting ready to go to Myrtle Beach. A nice little house. She made some good cookies. Trees over there. The plants are looking so good. This thing growing like a weed.
That's great, David. That's beautiful.
Say hello to the folks back home.
Hello. Hey, guys.
You're on CBC Candy Camera. Oh, everyone that's thirsty, come you to the water. He that hath no money, come and buy and drink. Wherefore do you spend your money for that which is not food and your substance? Oh, everyone that's thirsty, come ye to the water. He that hath no money, he measures the oceans in the palms of his hand. The sand of the sea? Really? Uh-oh, we'll be here for a lot longer. No, I don't know about that one. Get a picture of these dignitaries. What time you got? What time you got?
11. Sorry, sir.
You want me to go up and get the car and bring it down?
You want me to go?
I bet it tastes like a bread, don't it?
Bread dough in it.
Pampered chef party I had a few weeks ago.
Look at Uncle Justin.
Say hey. And that's a special.
Uncle Justin, take the lamb cap off.
When they don't look on.
Oh, we making hard.
Date on
How to
it.
conduct the music too.
Marielle.
You here?
Marielle.
Turn it up a notch and see if she'll listen. Basic.
Mama, did you know I have a new friend?
You do. What's her name? Or his
Erin.
name?
Are you gonna do the camcorder?
From when you were with her?
She wants my phone number.
Look at Auntie.
Marielle.
She can getaway.
Come on, do the music. Come on.
Ooh, yeah.
Go sax.
Now I can't see anything.
Well, thank you, Renee.
What's the matter? You don't know what's going on?
Hi there.
Came to life.
Did that flash wake you up?
Momentary vegetation.
Did that flash wake you up?
I know what she's doing. I know what she's doing.
Getting ready to land on her behind.
She's fainting.
Oh, we should
Well,
spin around.
you see her,
She
no,
walks
her
around
older
the
sister.
street.
Bella, don't even do it. Don't
You
even
back
do
over on
it.
the couch.
The hands on her hip.
She's trying to do the teapot. She's trying to do the teapot song.
She had her hand like this. Come here, I'll help you. Come here.
Well, he's trying to film. All I can see is your foot.
And tilt me over and pour me out.
I'm a little teapot,
Short and stout. This
Here is my handle. Here is my spout. When I get all cleaned up, hear me shout. Just get me over and pour me
That's
down.
right, Jessica. Crash her to the floor. It's all right.
Stand up and do it and let her do it. She'll watch you. Jessica, you do it.
She laughs every time she looks at Jessica. Have you noticed that?
Very
There is joy, joy, joy in the presence of the Lord.
She's like, yeah, that's real.
How long is this night? Can I receive?
I don't know, can you?
Ma'am? How long?
I don't know. It's a whole CD.
No, I want to listen to John Denver.
62 minutes and 23 seconds.
Turn it
You
off.
said you wanted to hear
That's
Make
brain
Up
food.
Nice. Make up
Turn it off. It's too long.
It'll be over about 8:15.
Isn't it beautiful?
Did you say
It's not bright enough in here.
some minutes?
Is all the lights on bright? Are all the lights on bright?
Yeah. We got some bulbs missing. Let me see if I can replace
It's a major jam, Jessica.
We can hardly see Papa. He looks kind of dark over there.
I'm going to record.
Hang on.
Okay.
I can take
running.
it to work, listen to it 8 times, I'll be done. Time to go home.
Are you a ham? Are you a camera ham? Are you a camera ham?
Let me video after John Michael.
That's fine, but don't do the zoom in because we had to get the front end repaired because someone would zoom in and keep zooming. If that makes any sense.
I see a baby. She's trying to do teapot. Look.
You want Mama to sing teapot for you?
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, and here is my spout. Get us steamed up, hear me shout.
So that's not where my spout's at.
Me over and pour me out.
Renee, this would be a hand.
Yeah, I got it.
There's Papa and Anna, Auntie, Jessica, Marielle, they're coming.
Leave the light on.
Mama, Uncle Justin. I better touch your face. Nobody's here. Uncle Justin. Whoa, close up. I didn't zoom it. Daddy to tell tell the
Whoa. You whacking the head with it?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's making a face for you.
You want her gifts around her too, or?
Well, yeah, take one with all the presents. And then we'll
What's in that ear?
do that.
I'll clear.
Well, now I can't see her. Put it over there with those, where those are at.
How's that? How's that? Smile, doodle.
Bubba, lean to your back.
Say cheeseburger.
In paradise. Oh yeah, you got to it too. So sayings first, or wait to light the
We'll wait,
candle.
we'll light the candles and stuff. She probably gonna have a fit.
Thanks, Jesse.
Yes.
Well, I'm sorry. I
More valuable.
Here, I'll tell you what. You all.
All the while I was wrapping it, don't say, no, don't rip the papers.
He would exceed any other coach ever for winning first game.
Okay, I am. Hurry up. Faster,
You
faster.
can help her open your gift. How about that?
Who gave her that? To help her?
Yeah.
Did you hear?
Somebody help the girl.
You want fun out of these.
There you go. Ooh, what is that? Can you get that open? No. It's your birthday.
She's probably all excited about the paper.
Hey, pretty paper,
One time Michael would take the paper off the box and show you the box like it was something really. Look, Mama, look. That's great. Why didn't you open the box?
Mother, come on over here so you can see.
Yeah,
Oh,
Papa.
sweet. There's the chair.
Oh, look.
Ooh. Hey, they're almost like mine.
Bobby, you
You
stop.
got sissy socks.
Say, wait a minute, my name's not Bobby.
So you can play with that later.
I don't want to get in detail.
That's very nice. Say thank you. You're welcome.
Hey.
Here, wait a minute. Here. Here.
Give me my Bobby socks. My feet are cold.
Ooh. Turn it over.
How's it
Get a
going?
better grip on it.
It's just me propping back here, Papa.
Give her this.
Yes, that's the most.
You
Let Alicia
want
help
to help her,
her.
Alicia?
Yeah, Alicia, you
You
help
help
her.
her.
Can't eat it.
Oh,
You
yeah?
open it now?
Get that in.
You open that package or that card.
Can you open
Who
it?
knows how to use that camera?
I
Here.
do. I can. Marielle. Oh, please. Marielle. You need to open them. Not
She's learning. I do. Smile.
Open it, Marielle.
Paper. Ooh, look at
She
there.
always smiles after the camera flashes.
Oh, look at there. Oh, wow.
You know what you're sleeping in tonight?
Say thank you very
She
much.
says, Gerber, oh,
That's what
something
I
to
like
eat.
it too.
That's good, because she is notorious for kicking those blankets off.
I used a lot of
Put
them
them back
when I
on the
was
table. Right, you need to put them back in front of her so she won't. This is her favorite angle in the high
She's
chair.
helping you.
Like to stand in there backwards?
Uh-huh. And jump up and down.
She'll eat. Here you go.
Another one for you.
Not
Here,
finished with this one.
here.
Oh, what's that? This one there.
Yeah, you know what's in those, don't you?
That's another one from Alicia, I think. Marielle, you need to read those. Take the socks from her. Can I hold these?
You've got your picture too.
Look, Marielle. Look, what paper this hair. Look, it's your favorite thing to do.
Drop them on the floor.
She's so distracted with all these people standing around. She can't open her present.
Like, I'm not real sure.
There you go. Read the card.
There you go. Read it. Read it.
Let's see what it says.
Read the paper.
Maybe that'll give her the idea.
Read the paper.
It says, to Marielle from Gary, Jeanette, and Alicia. Ooh, what is that?
Open. Open it.
Where'd my stuff go?
Marielle, here it is.
Looky there. You got a busy body.
My goodness, look at
All
that.
kind of stuff to play with.
Like that.
There you go, Murder.
Well, Mommy can play with that.
Pretty.
Okay, we set it around with you. She sits like this all the time.
We'll play with the secret later.
We'll open it.
Open that again.
Alright, let her open yours.
That's the third. I
You
know.
want this one? How's that?
Move, Daddy, move.
She's been trying
Bubba,
to
just set it there and leave it there. Bubba, set it there and leave it there.
Ooh, that is neat.
Education.
Now, you may tear the paper like that. See? Open it.
I can't believe Jeff looks at his cards and shuts them.
What's in there? You trying to get in the box. Here, look.
Ooh. Messy?
You know.
Very, very special and happy as can be. Hope that describes your birthday and your whole year perfectly. Happy birthday, sister. I love you, Marielle from Jessica.
Somebody take this.
Sit here. Listen to me.
Paper.
Good deal.
Get this one.
You pull that one out?
Now she's getting. Get it, get it. Look, look, look. See? Look.
Good way, goodness.
Look.
You're going to put it in the cake.
Jessica didn't do that.
You better put it out of its misery.
Yeah, take the hammer and hit it in the
She
head.
was hugging it.
Oh,
She was hugging it.
Dinosaur in agony.
No batteries.
it's crash and burn. It was a flying creature. Got another one.
What kind of this?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jessica can't do that. Look, we'll just do it.
Oh, here.
Is the card still on there?
No, you want that other one. It's a
It's
pterodactyl.
a pteranodon.
Pterodactyl or something.
It's the bear. Look at you.
Gary.
My goodness. Thank you, Auntie. It's Muriel. We love you. Happy birthday.
Got to throw that out in the yard.
We got it.
Gary, hide the bird. Here you go. Pull it.
Gotta put it out there with the train.
What? Hannah's right there. Here. You want to look in here?
Auntie, she doesn't want your gift.
She's got enough stuff to worry about.
Look, he's still looking. It's a koala, I find.
She'll be back out in a few minutes.
It's a koala with a koala.
This is that.
The baby and the mama.
Get a picture.
The baby and the mama.
Oh. Isn't that terrific? She wants that cake. She's been trying to get in and all that. Look at me.
Take a picture.
Watch her. Excuse me.
Koala, yeah.
Marielle, look at Mama.
Now,
It ain't working.
turn it on.
I did.
You turn it on.
Marielle. Hey, dude.
Yeah,
Now,
koala.
thank you.
Marielle, look at that one.
She said, hey, these are short-term gifts. You keep taking them away from me.
We're saving the best for last, Bubba. Here you go.
And if you knew what
I know you want the cake.
was,
But look what you got here.
I found me.
This is Daddy's favorite.
I bet you wasn't that. That's what David Parker
Oh, man, you put these things in here. She's just watching you, Justin.
Look at here.
See?
What's that?
I want to see.
Yes.
Yeah.
You got to indoctrinate her good.
Started at an early
Back to
age.
school tomorrow. She's going to school tomorrow.
Ah.
She didn't forget about it.
That was glass. That was glass.
We'll never get that for him.
Hey, what's the deal with the short-term gift?
Or something. That one she would say, I want.
Yeah.
That
Yeah, it's a terrible thing to do to a girl. Give her presents and take them back away.
Look, isn't that beautiful?
Boy, man. make sure that...
You must be out of one for each.
Hey, they wanted that. Why did you do that?
Okay, you can open this one. You've been trying to have a fit because this all day. Bubba gets it. Make sure she doesn't fall off.
Let's read the
Yeah.
card first, okay? Want to read the card
We can
first?
read that card.
Those are just to be put in the baby. And I didn't give
It's
you
your first birthday.
You sign this one?
This happy little teddy bear is coming right your way to bring a special birthday wish because you're one today.
They actually tomorrow, but that one made a good fit.
Yeah, that one. Do you get it?
Slide this one up.
Slide
She's the
Yeah,
happiest
yeah.
baby you ever did see.
Wait a minute, wait.
Got the loser.
Okay, Mama, start here. Oh, this is a big box. She got to stand up to do this. Look at that. Come on, you tight? Wait a minute.
Look, man, more paper that's here. Look.
Look, there's something in that box. What is it? She said if I stay here, they'll open it for me.
The cable converter.
For Scientific American.
Lamp it.
Oh, excuse me. What is it? Wait a minute.
Excited.
Look. Marianne. Marianne.
Ooh, we got lots of bears.
That's the
Aww.
one she saw and wanted in the store.
She called it Papa Bear.
Look at it, said Papa.
You like that?
Let's do cake.
No. See, you ready to do birthday cake? Get some.
Will this thing pull up to the table?
Yeah.
Papa bear.
Papa. She saw that bear. She has been calling it Papa ever
Is
since.
that what you named it? She named it Papa.
Hi.
That's as big as she is.
That's for me. Here's your cake.
Oh, nice. Wait a minute, we gotta light the candle.
Thing.
Don't let her touch
Okay, mommy call Bear.
You gonna like that?
Yeah.
Somebody give me some.
Top drawer, Justin. Oh, no, wait a minute. I'm sorry. Top of the microwave and the little juice cup.
Who's that, Muriel?
Yeah, that's yours.
Hey, Papa. Papa? Hey, Papa?
I don't know why she called mine with Mariel. I gotta give it.
Thank you, Renee. You're welcome.
Don't.
Okay.
I really bought it intending to give it to you for Christmas, but I thought it was real silly.
Turn the light out.
Turn the light out. Oh, why you burning my camera? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mariel. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 3.
What is going on?
Mommy will take the candle,
Happy birthday.
and you may have the cake. It's all yours.
Yeah, I want
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah, that's
That was the day you were born, Daddy bought this.
No.
Yes, it was, wasn't it?
No.
Grandma Billy sent that to her.
Oh,
Brian's
is that the one
mother sent me a plant when she was born, and that bear was in it, and I saved it.
I bought a bunch of other stuff.
You need a spoon?
He's using it
That
as
was
a...
just fine.
Dig into the cake. Eat the cake, Muriel.
She'll get to it.
Yeah, too sweet.
All chocolate.
Yeah.
Of course.
All right.
Well, cake for it.
Okay, you watch her, Brian, and I'm gonna cut this other one.
Happy birthday to Muriel. I want one of these.
Just
Papa
wait.
Bear went by.
Go put it.
Where did the pterodactyl go?
He's not getting in trouble. Not yet.
Watch this.
It is pretty neat. I'm not getting in trouble.
Really? What you did with her?
Jessica!
Let
That's where I'm sitting.
Let's get up.
her figure it out herself. She'll start digging into it in a minute.
Okay, who would like some cake?
I want
Real
big. What is it? Chocolate.
Bring a plate. You go to the thing
Can
again.
I get this?
My flash is not going on.
She's not doing it right, y'all.
The batteries are wearing down this thing, dear.
Do it in a minute. Maybe she doesn't like being a mess.
Here's his name.
See, now she knows where that cake frosting.
Here, Jessica, you want to run this thing for a bit?
I know one
Yeah.
thing. If that kid eats all that cake, she's sure gonna be sick. Oh.
That's what birthdays are for.
To
make you older and wiser.
All right, quit whining. How about please me out there?
Go for it, Puss. Get you a handful and jam it.
Hey, you can't wear this for
Look like she's gonna put her face in it.
She is so adorable.
Can I cut?
To that man, Sid.
Say, quit messing with my stuff. You have to be 24 months old to wear this, young girl.
Good, you want to bet?
Big baby. What size you wear now? 18?
24, 18, about 25.
3-layer cake.
Whoa.
Well, just dig in it, please.
Y'all want someplace right there and I'll be
What does that mean? I want something?
Look.
Could mean a lot of things.
Alright.
You gonna serve the guests first?
No?
How's that?
Yeah. You're my little big head. Are you having fun? Smile, Alicia. Alicia.
And it does not have work it. Eating what you want to.
That's what we call having your cake and eating it too.
You gonna bite into it? She'll bite into it.
Now you know where the cups are.
Oh man, I hope I got that. She had her mouth on it. That's the move. I'm trying to film her. She had her mouth on it. And I'm not being a very good cameraman. Because I'm wobbly. Good girl. I got it that time, I know.
Mother, you want some cake?
Drink in.
Huh? Tinier than Daddy's or the
That
same
good?
size?
You're not going to get any cake? Look, yeah, Mama. Watch her, Mama. Mama, watch. Mommy, you're not watching your baby. Watch her. Marielle, look.
I did let it go.
That was good. She keeps on doing that. Marielle.
Knives, forks are right here, guys.
That's cute. Yay. Good girl.
Thank you.
Renee, did you see that? Did you put it on? Is it good, Daddy? There's some cake right there. Here. Look at it.
Are you crazy?
There's either milk in the refrigerator or I got some
Whoa.
Is that wet over my hands?
Probably that. Let me talk. What? Marielle, look. A good girl.
Jeff, take this stuff and put it over there. Let me see.
Okay.
Everybody get cake?
Now what do I?
You want some? Yeah. I made it.